Bet, so just got involved in a short. We'll see what happens here. Thought it was absolute A plus. Why? Because we came up, tapped into an hourly fair value gap, swept out London high on NQ, put in an SMT, ES failing to take London high. Looking at the 1 minute, we see that SMT get put in, internal structure forms, see this 1 minute bullish fair value gap hold initially, then we get a strong displacement leg down and through, and then this gets turned inverse, put my limit here, stop at SMT high, targeting London low, see what happens. I'm totally okay with this losing trade if it loses, because it's absolutely A plus in my model. So yeah, but we'll see what happens. I'm gonna pause it and I'll catch y'all when something happens. About to get stopped out. Freaking lit, bro. This is kind of annoying. It's my 5th losing trade in a row. And I mean, this was probably the best quality setup out of all 5 of them. Because of the fact, let's go. It's so annoying, bro. Come up, sweep out London high, cool. Thinking we're gonna go to opposing liquidity, at least get a risk-free point or something. Tap the 1 hour fair value gap. And then what do? Put in an SMT at the high. When ES fails to take London high right here, we see some movement lower. We see a 1 minute fair value gap get traded within and then turned inverse with a strong displacement move lower. I go ahead and get involved off of that inverse fair value gap with my stop above the SMT protected high. We're trading. ES comes up and takes out its London high, putting in a dang 4 drive pattern, which isn't really real. It's 3 drive, but I'm like, oh, sweet. Now there's another internal bearish SMT. So I'm like, okay. Then we come down, close below the 1 minute inverse fair value gap again, and then we just reverse higher and get stopped. Like, bro. I mean, I saw my model, I took it. I don't know what the hell is going on, bro. Am I patched? Am I nerfed? I deadass have not taken a winning trade, let's see, since Sunday, and that was a stupid little scalp. We'll pull up TradeZilla. I don't know what's going on, man. Like, straight up, dude. This is wild. Probably down on the month. Yeah, freaking down on the month now, bruh. That's wild, Pete. Had 3 winners, took a Sunday scalp, lost. A big winner, and then whatever, we're up on the week, up on the week. Let's check December. Up every week in December. And then now, all of a sudden, I'm just ass, bro. Like, what? 4 losers in a row. I don't know if this was break even or what was going on here, but 4 losers, and then boom, just took another L. Dude, it's freaking wild. I'm so confused, man. I mean, obviously, bias was just wrong. Time at price. Maybe it'll want to draw lower later. But just with how bearish we were disrespecting all the higher time frame PD rays. This daily is probably going to get closed below. No higher time frame bullish SMT. That got invalidated with the 2 a.m. candle when this low came down and got swept on ES, meaning that there was no significant manipulation on the higher time frame. Coming into the day, I'm like, oh, okay, we have London low intact, London high intact. I'm leaning bearish coming into the day, so if we come up London high and see something, then sure, I'll take it. So what do? We come up, sweep out London high, tapping into a 1 hour fair value gap, respecting it, seeing displacement down and out of the 1 hour fair value gap right here. Getting a perfect 1 minute model, 1 minute fair value gap turned inverse, 1 minute market structure shift, enter off of it, stop above the SMT protected high, which wasn't an SMT protected high because price came up then at 9:45-ish and took London high on ES, so that kind of invalidated that, but it did put in another SMT. Then what do? We get another move lower, 3 candle series closing below the fair value gap again, and then we just reverse higher. So honestly, even though I'm freaking 5 losing trades in a row, I'm not even pressed at this because it was an A plus setup in my model. Had everything I needed to see. Higher time frame SMT, London high manipulated at. Higher time frame PD ray tapped at that manipulation. Trading to what I thought was a drawn liquidity as London low. But what can you do, bro? Deadass. This is kind of crazy. I'm glad I lowered size, bro, because what was I risking? 162? That's crazy, bro. Absolutely wild. But it is what it is. Gonna hop off. And yeah, who knows? Maybe this week I will have 3-4 losing trades, which would be lit. Just kidding. That's annoying, but whatever. Yeah. You got anything in the comments, bro? Let me know. But I'm just gonna trust the model, trust the system. It's worked in December, worked the month before that. It's been working. And for whatever reason, didn't work today. But it's all good, can't win them all. And let's just hope that I freaking get some type of winning trade this week, because that would be very discouraging, having 2 weeks of straight losers. That's deadass never happened in my 3 years of trading. So yeah, hopefully we're not patched, hopefully I'm not cooked, but that's all I got for today. Unfortunate L, but I'll catch y'all tomorrow, I guess. Peace.